Well, hello, lovely dancers. Okay, so we are going to be learning Can't Stop the Feeling, Cha-Cha. So Can't Stop the Feeling, a Cha-Cha is a 2-wall, 32 counts. It's a beginner dance, choreographed by Bambang Satiyawan. I hope I'm saying it properly. And this was just created in December. So let's give it a try, and hopefully we'll have some fun with it. I think it's fun, so that's why we're going to teach it. So let's give it a try. All right, so I'm going to turn around to just show you some of the steps. Open, back, and cha-cha-cha, rock forward and open, cha-cha-cha, rock, quarter turn, cha-cha-cha, and 1 and 2 and hold, half turn, cha-cha-cha, rock to the side, cha-cha back, rock to the back, cha-cha forward, half turn and step, step, open, rock and cha-cha to the right, rock, cha-cha left, and rock, quarter turn, cellular, and hold, and 1 and 2 and hold, half turn, cha-cha-cha, rock to the right, cha-cha back, rock, cha-cha forward, half turn, step and step. Slower. Let's do it slower. All right, here we go. Open, back, and cha-cha-cha. Now forward. Side, cha-cha-cha. Forward, quarter turn, kick back, 1, 2, hold. And then lock, 1 and 2, and touch, rock forward, half turn, cha-cha, rock forward, quarter turn, cha-cha back, rock back, cha-cha forward, half turn, step left, step right, and open again.